Do you believe in love at first sight? Love is such an overrated word, a word that can't be simply explained, but something that can easily be expressed. To love someone you just meet is far-fetched, but it happened to a princess named Cornelia and a rogue named Marcus. Though their love was strictly forbidden, it did not end there. Cornelia's father tore them apart, using another man. Thus the tale begins, a tale filled with betrayal, sadness, suspense, and love. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, I Want to Be Your Canary. Chapter 1. The Melody Foretold. The story unfolds in the kingdom of Philoné. Its ruler, King Luther, was holding a meeting with the king of Sacria, named King Leo. King Leo and King Luther have been close friends since childhood, and they both lost their wives. However, they both had a child to raise. King Leo has a daughter, and King Luther has a son. Though everything may seem alike, their children represent the differences between it all.
Father, why can't I discuss the matters in which you are meeting for?
Because, Cornelia, you are still nothing more but a child.
But father...
No more. I will take my leave. Get some rest. It was a long travel to get here.
Every time I come here, it's the same routine.
Good to be back home. I haven't been to the spot in so long. Where's that coming from?
Who's there?
Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I fell down. You know, I was the only one who knew of this spot. I'm surprised you—
I didn't know. My apologies.
Wait! Why are you leaving so soon?
Let me go.
Whoa!
Oh my. apologies. I didn't mean to.
My apologies. Who talks like that? But it was cute. Next time, just say I'm sorry.
I'm sorry?
That's right. Oh yeah. Were you the one who was singing that song before?
Yes. May I ask why you're wondering?
Well, I wanted to know who sang it so badly.
Well, excuse me, if you're going to be rude about it then.
I'm just joking around with you. I thought it was the most beautiful voice I have ever heard. You're different. I've never met someone like you before. Usually girls would notice when someone is joking around with them. Are you from around here?
My name is Cornelia.
And my name is Marcus.
I'm delighted to meet you, Marcus.
Where are you from again, Cornelia?
From the kingdom of Sacria.
Really? What are you doing here then?
My father came here he came here to visit a sick family member.
Oh, that's cool. How long are you staying for?
Maybe around 2 weeks.
Awesome!
I have to get going.
Well then, Cornelia, meet you tomorrow morning?
Yes, okay.
Great, see you till then.
Goodbye.
Hey, Marcus.
Hey, Vice.
So where were you all day?
Places.
Why do you have a huge smile on your face?
I met someone interesting when I was out.
Was it a girl? Huh?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, because Marcus would smile over a guy of ice.
Shut up, Ica.
So, what's her name?
Alright. Calm down.
Well,
Cornelia.
Why can't I get him out of my head? When I first saw him, I thought he was a dangerous man. Until I talked with him. He seemed so kind and gentle. But if he found out that I'm a princess, how would he treat me then? Should I even go to meet him tomorrow?
The night sky was filled with stars and had two separate moons that were destined to collide.